In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Zapier to WhatsApp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate these platforms and streamline your workflows in just 5 minutes. So, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the Zapier website. If you already have a Zapier account, great. If not, no worries. Simply click on Login in the top right corner where you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. The easiest way to do this is by logging in with your Google account. This will save you time and ensure a quick setup process. Once you're logged in, navigate to the home page of Zapier. Here you'll find various options to start creating zaps, which are essentially automated workflows between different applications. Look for the Create button and give it a click. This will take you to the Zaps section where you can start building your connection between Zapier and WhatsApp. On the Zaps page, click on the Trigger option. Triggers are the events that start a zap. In this case, we'll be using Pipedrive as our trigger app. In the search bar, type Pipedrive and select it from the provided options. Next, you'll need to choose an event within Pipedrive that will trigger your zap. For today's purpose, select New Activity. Next, you'll be prompted to sign into your Pipedrive account. This is important as it will allow Zapier to access the necessary data to trigger the event. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the sign-in process. Once you've successfully logged in, hit test to ensure that the connection between Zapier and Pipedrive is functioning correctly. If everything checks out, we can proceed. Now click on Action. This is where you define what happens when the trigger event occurs. In the search bar that appears, type Timelines and then select Timelines AI. You'll have to choose an event for Timelines as well. Go ahead and select Send Message to New Chat as your action event. Again, you will be prompted to sign into your Timelines AI account. This step is crucial for allowing Zapier to send messages via WhatsApp on your behalf. Once you're signed in, click Test to make sure that everything is set up correctly. Testing both the trigger and action ensures that your Zap will run smoothly once it's live. The last step in our setup process is to click on Publish. This will activate your Zap, bringing your new automation to life. You're all set. Give your Zap a test by creating a new activity in Pipedrive and watch as the message is automatically sent via WhatsApp. And there you have it, folks. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful in integrating Zapier with WhatsApp. If you did, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech tips. See you next time.